Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adacia if you are new. So let's get into this hair. This is the star of the show, okay? It's not me, it's the hair, okay? So this company was nice enough to send me out their beautiful 18-inch wavy human braiding bulk hair. And I think I might have went off a little bit, okay? I think I might have snapped, okay? Now, this took a long time, but it was definitely worth it. This is definitely a high-maintenance style, okay? So if you're not looking to have to moisturize and detangle your hair every night, then skip the video. Don't, exit out. You probably don't want to see the rest, okay?
All right, for the synthetic braiding hair, I am going to be using this free tress braid hair, the 301 version in the color 613 and 27. We're going to mix those two together. Then to start off to part, I'm going to make a part from ear to ear. Then I'm going to make 3 parts to make 4. And that is just the actual outline for small knotless braids. Then you're going to make a part straight down the middle of your head. Then divide each section up top in half, and each half gets 3 braids. That is going to be your guide for small knotless braids. So let's start braiding. Now, I am not a professional. I struggle with tucking my hair in the braids, so as you can see, you will see that some of my hair is being shown throughout the braids, but that's okay. As I mentioned, I'm not a professional. I did the best I could and the results were great. This is also not a tutorial for how to do knotless braids. I will link a video down below on how to thoroughly do knotless braids. I do have a separate video explaining that, but just keep going, trust the process. Nothing in life is perfect, and I am a living testimony for nothing in life is perfect. And for the curly pieces, I did add 3 on each single braid. Now at the top, I did add about maybe 1 or 2 of the curly boho human hair, just because I didn't want too much of the curly hair in my face. But keep in mind that the more curly pieces you have or you add on each braid, the fuller it will look, but also the heavier it will look as well. So keep that in mind. You do not have to add curly hair to each braid. You can also skip a braid as well. And as you can see, as I'm braiding, I braid to the back of my head, like my hands are positioned towards the back, so I really cannot see how I'm braiding. I'm just kind of braiding. Even though the 3-way mirror helps, it was still very difficult for me to hide my hair. Now you can use gel to tuck your hair behind the blonde hair, but it still was showing for me. So if you have any tips, help your girl out for the next time. But this is my first time ever trying blonde hair and blonde knotless braids at that too. So I think I did a good job, and honestly, I kind of like the little highlights in my hair. I think it looks nice, and then the beautiful boho curly human hair makes it look, nice as well. All right, this part is very important. Make sure you are getting all of the tangled hair off of your ends. Make sure you are combing. I wish I would have used a comb on this part, but make sure your hair is tangle free at the bottom. So yeah, don't braid all the way down because we are leaving space to add flexi rods to curl the ends. Make sure you are pinning the curly hair out of the way because we do not want to dip that in hot water. And after we dip that in hot water, those are the ends and these are my results. And yeah, as you can see, I think this is absolutely gorgeous, but as you can tell, I did have a hard time hiding my natural hair, but it still looks gorgeous.
All the details of this braiding bulk human hair will be listed in the description bar below, but let's get into the packaging. Okay, so they sent me this is how it came. It says, probably can't see, my lights are kind of bright, but it says not wave but Waviy, V-I-Y. I thought that was so cute. The packaging, the color, like this is so cute. All right, so open it up. They did send me 3 bundles, and I did use, for this entire style, I did use about maybe 2.5, I'm sorry, not 2.5, 1.5. They do send you over a few clips, rubber bands, a crochet needle. So freaking cute. Like, look at that. This is so cute. I literally have no complaints. Like, I'm going to get into like the actual details of the hair in just a moment, but we're just going to unpackage this for now. And the hair is very soft. I had no problems with like the hair tangling up, with the hair like giving me any type of issues. Like, this hair is like literally amazing. Like, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that wavy. All right, so that pretty much concludes this video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching me. I'm just so very grateful, so very thankful for a lot of things in my life. I'm learning to just love on me a little bit more. I am on like this new journey of just like discovering myself, loving myself more, holding myself accountable for my mistakes, and just trusting God in the process. And it feels so good. Like, when you have God in your life, like, there is just a natural glow on you. And when you remove toxicity and you remove things that are hindering you, and when you remove things that are not God ordained, then this natural glow starts to happen. Like, happiness, peace, joy, all the good things fill you up. And you're just so grateful to be loved by the Creator. And that's how I feel in this moment. And I had to get that off my chest because I feel absolutely beautiful in this moment. And this beauty, this confidence didn't just come from me. It came from God. Like, God has truly, like, renewed something in me, and has really helped me. God has really helped me discover who I truly am, and I hope that he can do the same for you. But thank you guys so much for watching. As always, don't forget to give God the glory, because we would not be where we are today without him. And don't forget to like, comment, share. Don't forget to share and subscribe. I would rather you share than subscribe. Subscribers are okay, but reaching a different audience would be phenomenal, okay? So, I'll talk with you guys soon. Bye.